welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina, and today's yoga class is to energize and awaken. So if you're feeling a little bit lethargic, tired, exhausted, even stressed, this is the class for you. So roll out your mat and let's begin. Let's start the class with waking our bodies and minds with deep breathing. Deep breathing helps to energize, awaken, and much, much more. So placing your hands on your belly, maybe closing your eyes or having a soft gaze on a point. Just breathing in, allowing the breath to flow all the way to your belly and breathing out. Breathing in again, deeper. The breath, the better it is for the mind and the body. And breathe out. One more deep breath in and breathe out. Let's come to the top of the mat. Breathing in, stretch your arms up, calming down on the knees. Breathing in, looking up, breathing out, curving your spine, looking down, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down, one more, breathe in, breathe out, and then just coming down, let your head hang, hands hang, feel a beautiful stretch on the back of your legs, your neck, your back. And then bending your knees slightly, placing hands on the floor, spread your fingers, take one foot back, the other foot back. You might want to pedal your feet here, just waking up the body, loosening up everything. Spread your toes, take your heels towards the mat, not necessarily having to touch the mat. Take a breath here and breathe out. Let's take one foot in front, the other foot in front, and then just slowly coming up vertebrae by vertebrae. Stretching up high and taking your hands down. Let's stretch up now. Maybe take your hands together or apart, it doesn't matter. We're just going to come over to one side and then coming to the center. Stretch up as you breathe in, and as you breathe out, let's come over to the other side and then come to the center. Let's spread our arms out. Take one foot in one direction, other foot slightly slanted. Stretch out now. This, stand strong. Think about how you want your day to go, because whatever you focus on is where your energy goes. So breathing in, stretch, thinking about your day. And then bringing the hands up. Let's go over to the other side. Stretch, thinking about your day, whatever it is that you would like. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Breathe in, stretch up. Hands by your side. Just take a deep breath in here. Now let's do one to focus and strengthen. So when we focus and strengthen, we are doing laser focus on how we want our day to go. So now we're awake, we're going to think about our day. Looking at a spot in front of you, and one leg is going to be standing, so we want to make it really, really strong. The other leg is either going to be here, here, or even bringing it up here, even holding it with one hand. Now you might wobble. It's okay if you come out. You might want to bring one hand in a half prayer or both hands, bringing them down and relax. Now the other side, remember I said this about focus and strength. What are you saying to yourself first thing in the morning? Just become aware, let that go, and think about how you can support yourself. So making the other leg really, really strong. That's going to be standing, bringing the other foot here, here, or here. Maybe holding that foot. Now you're wobbling, I'm wobbling, it's okay. Just come out. Let's do that again. Making the standing leg really, really strong, supporting ourselves, remember. And then just taking the other leg where it feels comfortable, maybe half prayer or hands together. Take a breath here and come out. Just take a moment here. You've moved your body. You've now got laser focus. Just take a breath. Think about how you want your day to go. Standing really, really strong with your eyes closed or with a soft gaze on a point. Taking one more breath here. And breathe out. Hope you enjoyed this class, bringing back energy and feeling really, really awake with laser focus. And I look forward to practicing with you again. Do share this with somebody who could do with a pick-me-up. So until next time, namaste.